If you have a group of similar products that you want your customers to easily compare them, then the pricing plan snippets is a must-have for your Shopify store. The snippet offers full slider functionality in case you have multiple plans, but of course useful in mobile review since the user can scroll the plans easily. Okay, also of course, as all our Shopify snippets, this snippet offers everything you need to adjust the stylings and other options exactly as you want it. Okay, first we are going to check the installation, and then we are going to check the settings and options that we have available for this snippet. After you have downloaded the snippet, double click to unzip it, and then all we have to do here is copy the contents of the file. Then from your Shopify admin, go to the theme you want to install it, edit code, and then here all we have to do is create a new section called JS pricing plans and paste the contents of the file. Then navigate on the same theme, hit the customize button, and then add the snippet. We are adding on the home page, but of course you can edit on any other page that you prefer. As you can see now, the pricing plans are showing correctly, and next we are going to check the settings that you have for this snippet. Okay, let's check now the settings that you have for this snippet. On our demo we have 3 samples available that you can check. Let's check the first one. Okay, first we have the settings to control the background color. Here, if you prefer to have a different background color, for example, choose a dark one with a white text. As you can see, is this second example here. Okay, then you have the container maximum width that you can restrict here from this snippet from growing to large. For example, if you enter here 1200, you can see that the snippet plans are looking better. Feel free to adjust these settings according to the plans that you have. Then you have the settings for the header, the title, and the title font size. Then you have an optional description here, and then you have the settings for the slider. Here it is important to note that if the plans are fitting the contents of the page, for example, we have 3 plans here, and we have set to show three items per slide here. The arrows here and the pagination dots will be hidden by default. And as you can see here on mobile, they are now shown since we have the three plans here. Okay, so we have the option to show the navigation, the arrows here that show, for example, if you have multiple plans, we have these arrows here. The pagination dots are this fractional pagination here for the snippet. Okay, we have the scroll bar here. Then you have partial slide of mobile. So for mobile, this is enabled by default, that you can use to show the next slide partially. If you don't want it, you can simply disable it and it will show the full plan on mobile. Also, if this is hidden, the arrows will show automatically. Okay, here we have the speed that you can control the transition speed. For example, 1 second here, and you can see the slider is navigating slowly. Okay, then we have the spacing between between items, the spacing between plants that you have chosen with 16 pixel. If you want to adjust it, you can do so. Then you have the breakpoints that you can control how many items per slide to show. For example, on mobile you have 1, normally 1 it should be. For tablets we have 2, and for desktop we have 3. For example, if you choose here 2, you'll see that the arrows now are shown since we have 3 plants in total, but we are showing only 2 on the default view. Okay, and then you have the settings to control the spacing top and the bottom. Okay, so of course each of these blocks is a plant, and we can control the settings for each of these plants here. We can control the background color. For example, you can choose a different background color, and you can also control the text color or the foreground color. Of course, this affects only the block that they are modifying. Okay, then you have the border width settings. If you don't prefer to have borders, for example, you can have just the background color here, and you don't want to have borders, select 0. Okay. Then you have the settings to control the border color and the border radius. If you want to have full square, simply select 0 here. Okay, then you have this badge that you are showing on the second plan, something like best value or most popular plan should work, and the color for this badge. Okay. Also, we have settings here to have the icon. You can get icons from the Bootstrap icon library and simply download an icon here and upload it then normally as an image. And you can change here the icon size if you prefer to have bigger icons or smaller icons. Of course, you can just omit this setting and leave it blank to hide the icon altogether. Then you have the settings for the title here, startup plan, and then the pricing here. For the pricing, as you can see on the second plan, you can add a compare price like we are showing here. All you have to do here is wrap the pricing on the brackets, and will show with a line through as you can see on the second plan. Then you can control the pricing font size here. Okay, and then you have the setting for this optional description here. Leave it blank if you don't want to have a description. All the settings here are for the plan header, as you can see here, for the plan header. Then you have the settings for the body or for the features. Okay, so first, in order to show these icons as you are seeing on the demo, you have to wrap in brackets the letter Y and the letter X. So to show the tick, you have to wrap the letter Y, and to show this X icon here, meaning that the feature is not available for this plan, wrap with the letter X as you are seeing on this demo. Okay, if you omit these letters here, as you are seeing on the second example, this is just a normal bullet list here. The normal bullet icon will show, and these icons here will not show. Okay, then you can align this text here, left, center, or right. Okay, then you have the settings on the footer. We have the bottom text here, add to cart, the bottom style, primary or secondary. Okay, and the bottom URL. Here it is important to note that the plan offers the add to cart functionality, meaning that if you select the product here, it will add the product to the cart directly from the plan, as you see here. But also, beside that, you can also specify a product variant ID. This variant ID must be on this product that you have selected above. So, for example, if you can see this product here, we have this demo product, and this product has three variants. Okay, starter, standard, develop, and for each of these variants here, along with the pricing, we have specified here the product variant ID for the first, the second, and the third, the developer plan. You can get the variant ID by simply clicking here and copying the variant ID from the URL on the top here. Okay. If you don't want to offer the add to cart functionality, leave this field here empty and simply add a URL that you want to redirect the users if they click on the button. Okay, and finally you have here an optional note on the footer, and if you don't want to show it, just leave the field empty. And that should be all for the pricing plan snippet. If you have questions, feel free to let us know on our community forums. Thanks for watching.